How to turn on noise cancellation on AirPods Pro. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can activate the noise cancellation on any AirPods Pro. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to activate the noise cancellation, first thing first, make sure the AirPods is connected to your iPhone. I already connected the AirPod to my iPhone here. Now, the very first and easy way to do that, either simply go ahead and grab your earbuds and press like this in order to switch between the different mode on your earbuds. So once you keep pressing it, this will automatically get into the noise cancellation feature and the noise cancellation will be activated. But if you're having trouble activating the noise cancellation with this process, then follow the next process. In the next process, simply go and swipe down from the very top from your phone and then press and hold the volume slider, and inside this one you'll get to see the noise cancellation. You can tap on this and you can activate the noise cancellation from there as well. But for me, this feature is not available inside this one, but don't worry, there is another way that you can do this process. All you have to do is just need to go to the settings from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on Bluetooth. Inside this one you'll get to see your connected earpods, so just go ahead and tap on the I button beside your connected earpods, and inside this one you'll get to see your music mode. You can select the noise cancellation in order to activate this feature. And these are the easy 3 different ways that you can actually follow in order to activate the noise cancellation feature on the AirPods Pro. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.